So this problem asks us for the following graph. Just careful here. We want to find the interval or intervals of increase, the interval or intervals of decrease, and the constant interval or intervals. I'm going to write our answer as an interval or a list of intervals. All right. So keeping in mind that graphs don't increase or decrease at points, okay, so we're not going to include single points, we're only going to include intervals, then let's just take a look at this and kind of see what's going on here. Just from looking at the graph, we see that it is increasing here. It is constant here. Then it begins to increase, constant again at that little bit, and here it is decreasing. So all we have to do is write all of these little places as intervals. So let's start out with places where the function is increasing. And let me see if I can write that a little bit neater. Increasing. Right, so first of all, right here. So what are my x coordinates where this is increasing? Well, this point is here at -7. This point is at 5. So the function is increasing between -7 and -5. That gives us an interval of increase of open -7 to -5. And remember, the reason it's open is that functions don't increase at points, so I don't include those endpoints. We had another interval of increase right here, and that's happening from x equals -1 to x equals 1. So we also have that the graph is increasing from -1 to 1. And that is the only intervals where the graph is increasing. So now let's do decreasing. We saw that the function is decreasing here. So that is going to be from x equals 2 to x equals 5. So between 2 and 5, the function is decreasing. And then as far as where it's constant, well, that's going to be here from x equals -5 to x equals -1. So from -5 to -1, that interval. And also here, so from 1 to 2. So we have the interval from 1 to 2, the function is constant.